In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Google Gemini AI app on your Windows PC or laptop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Gemini set up as a standalone app on your desktop, so you can open it just like any other program, without needing to keep a browser tab pinned. First, make sure you're connected to the internet and using a modern web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or another Chromium-based browser. This method relies on the browser's ability to install websites as apps. So if you're using something very outdated, you may want to update it before you start. Open your browser and go to the official Gemini website by typing Google Gemini into your search bar and clicking the official result from Google. Always double-check that the address in the bar is the real Google domain to avoid fake or malicious copies. Once the Gemini page has fully loaded and you can see the chat interface, look toward the top right corner of your browser window. In Chrome and most Chromium browsers, you should see a small icon that looks like a computer monitor with a down arrow or a plus symbol in the address bar. This is the Install or Create App Shortcut button. Click that icon. A small pop-up window will appear asking if you want to install Gemini as an app on your device. It may show a suggested name like Gemini or Google Gemini. You can leave the default name as it is, since that's what will appear in your Start menu and on your desktop. Confirm the installation by clicking the Install button. Your browser will now create the Gemini app. In just a moment, a new window should open that looks almost identical to the website. But notice there are no usual browser tabs or address bar at the top. This is the standalone Gemini app running in its own window. To make it easier to access later, check your desktop and Start menu. You should now see a new shortcut for Gemini. If you'd like even faster access, right-click the app icon in your taskbar while it's open, and choose the option to pin it to the taskbar. That way, you can open Gemini with a single click anytime. From now on, simply launch Gemini from your desktop, Start menu, or taskbar. Sign in with your Google account if prompted, and you're ready to start using Google Gemini AI on your Windows PC or laptop, just like a regular installed application.